All right, guys. So in our last video, there was this area right here that is yellow, and we noticed that it's not the picture. Well, upon research in the CSS, I see that we added that margin top of 16 pixels, but we didn't take it away from the height. So what I'm thinking is if we took this from 36 to 20, yep, that fixed it right up. Okay, so that fixed the height up. That didn't margin bottom of 10 pixels. Let me double that just to see if does that move that down. Actually, here I am going by this again, and I tell you guys don't do that, right? So let me go to check it on the computer, and it looks good. Okay, so that looks exactly how we want it to look. But what's happening is our nav over there, where we have our home and about, isn't looking like it's centered. So what we're going to do now is, now that we fix that part, we're going to fix this part. So we're going to go to our nav A area, and we're going to look at what's happening in here. So we have margin bottom, padding top, maybe, so that padding top was put into place to fix this, I think. So if I go padding top, say 10, yeah, that's what that's fixing. So I'm gonna say padding top, matter of fact, I'm gonna say padding top 8, padding bottom, say 8, so I'm kind of splitting it off between them. Oops, 8. Let me refresh here. On this side, I'm getting a spinning wheel, but we'll see. Okay. Oh, look at that. What is that? Did I just do that? Okay, I must be getting tired, guys. Padding top and padding bottom. And that kind of fixes it by splitting it up a little bit. Let me go to device preview. Make sure I save. And now, all right, that's looking better. This is what that's looking like. Much better. Okay. So I would just play a little bit more. I would probably, let me zoom in real quick so I can see what's happening. I would probably play with this top and bottom a little more, making sure that they equal 16. So I'll probably take 7 from here, make 9 here, you know, and I would just play. I actually think that looks, you will see it in a second. I'm just trying to. A little bit more, so I might let's try 7 here. Oops. Hang on. So I'm kind of just playing in the background in this one, but in any event, I would just continue to play so that I can maybe, oh, I just realized I'm playing with padding and margin. That's all I will need. Let's try this. Let's try 7. And you guys can kind of see how I'm just really just playing with different numbers. Maybe I'll try 10 here, 6 here, how that works. But I just play with the numbers until I get them in place. And once I have them in place and I'm happy about it, that's when I'll move on to the next area. So that's how we fix that area right there, making sure that the checks and balances and the numbers, sorry, I'm actually talking to you guys on the screen and you're not seeing it because it's on the other side. All right, so let me hit save real quick. Save. All right, so what I was saying is we wanted to fix this, so that's how we'll fix that. And then over here, I would play with, I almost have it, no, actually I think that's pretty good, but I'll play with the padding top and bottom until I get it to where I want it to go, just making sure that all the checks and balances match. That right there I like, so the last thing that we have to do is figure out that transparency right there. All right, so I will see you guys in the next video. See you in a few.